Welcome. This is a mindfulness meditation for settling the body and mind in its natural state. Begin by finding a comfortable position. You can sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor and your spine tall but relaxed, or you may lie down if you prefer. Allow your hands to rest gently in your lap or by your sides. When you are ready, gently close your eyes. Let's begin by bringing our focus to our anchor, the breath. Concentrate on your breath. There's no need to change it in any way. Simply observe the breath going in and the breath going out. Feel the gentle rhythm, the natural flow of life, in and out. Now let's bring a gentle awareness to the body, starting from the very top. Bring your attention to your head. Scan your head. Feel the sensations on your scalp. Soften your forehead, releasing any tension you might be holding there. Allow your eyes to rest softly in their sockets. Let your jaw hang loose, completely relaxing all the facial muscles. Allow this gentle awareness to flow down into your neck and shoulders. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears, releasing any burdens you might be carrying. Now, focusing the attention to the upper trunk of the body. Feel your chest gently rising and falling with each breath. Relax the chest and the upper back. Feel the space around your heart. Let the awareness drift down into your abdomen. Visualize and feel the abdomen. Notice the gentle expansion as you breathe in and the soft release as you breathe out. Feel the rising and falling of the abdomen. Completely relax the abdomen and the back of your body. Now, shift the awareness to the lower part of the body. Feel this wave of relaxation flowing down through both the legs, right and left, all the way down to your feet and into your toes. Aware of the sensations, whatever they may be, just noticing. As the body rests in stillness, we now gently focus the attention to the space of the inner speech. Notice the thoughts or mental chatter. You don't need to do anything about them. Without pushing anything away, simply watch the mental talk like clouds drifting across the sky. Some are dark, some are light, some move quickly, some linger. You are the sky, just watching them pass. Simply watch it with a third-person perspective, as if you are watching a movie. There is no need to judge or analyze. Are you able to find any space between the thoughts? A moment of quiet? Just notice that space. Watch the space. Watch the space. For the next moment, let go of watching anything at all. Rest in the stillness of the body, the silence of speech, and the space of mind. There is nothing to do, nowhere to go. Just be. Let yourself be free from holding on to the thoughts, not worrying about anything. Finding the mental stillness, the clarity. Now, let's begin to bring the awareness back to the body. Feel the sensation in your hands and in your feet. Notice the points of contact between your body and the surface beneath you. feel your breath once more, anchoring you in this present moment. When you are ready, you can begin to make small movements, perhaps wiggling your fingers and toes. Take a moment. Be grateful for the day. Be grateful for the life you have. And be grateful for all the beautiful moments in your life. Carry this stillness with you.